Good evening, all. My name is Rajkumar Vanath Bhosle. Today's video topic is object and classes in Java. In an object in Java is the physical as well as a logical entity, whereas a class in Java is a logical entity only. Let's see what is an object in Java. An entity that has a state and behavior is known as object. Example: chair, bike, let's say a marker, pen, table, car, etc. It can be a physical or logical. The example of an intangible object is a banking system. An object is a real world entity, and the class is not real world entity. Let's say what is a state? Represent the data and value of an object. Behavior represent the behavior of an object, such as deposit, withdraw, and identity. An object identity is a typical implemented via unique ID. The value of ID is not visible to the external user. However, it is used internally by the JVM to identify each an object uniquely. These are the object has three. These are the characteristics of the object. Then let's see example. A pen is an object. Its name is Reynolds. Color is white. Known as a state. Known as it is an state. It is used to write. So writing is it a behavior. An object is an instance of a class. A class is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. So an object is the instance of the class. Object definitions: object is a real world entity. An object is a runtime entity. The object is an entity which has state and behavior. The object is an instance of the class. Let's see what is a class in Java. A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. It is a logical entity. It can't be physical. A class in Java contains fields, methods, constructors, then blocks, then a nested class and interfaces. The syntax to declare a class is a class name, then in curly braces, field and method. The curly braces close. The instance variable in Java: a variable which is created inside a class but outside the method is known as the instance variable. The instance variable doesn't get memory at compile time, it gets memory at a runtime when an object or instance is created. That's why it's known as an instance variable. Thank you. That's all about today's video topic.